Mark.
At ito ang
Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes.
So, VJ Mark, excited ka na ba sa guest natin ngayon?
Yes, sobrang excited na ako kasi alam kong marami na naman tayong matututunan sa episode na
Tsaka
to.
hindi, mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya, yung mga nakaraang episode natin, ang dami natutunan ng mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya
Tama
natin.
ka dyan,
At ngayon,
Digital.
syempre, madadagdagan. Kaya naman, VJ Mark, hindi ko na to patatagalin pa. At
Wag na.
ipapakilala ko na ang guest natin ngayon. Let us all welcome mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya, Miss MJ. Ang ganda-ganda.
Hello po, Miss MJ. Kamusta po kayo?
Okay naman ako.
Ayan.
Ang ganda niya. Nani-starstruck ako.
Ganun.
Alam, baka maging ano ka na, VJ Mark. So, syempre, ang Miss MJ, pakilala niyo po yung sarili niyo sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya natin dyan. At dito po.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mary Joy Aquino. I am an entrepreneur, also a banking professional, and also a makeup artist.
May mga gusto po ba pala kayong batiin?
Yes. Hi mga viewers natin, and I also want to thank and say hi to my partners in my business, Grace and Deli, Joy Uwing, Mitch, and also Day. Have a very good day, and here I am in Coffee Chat House for Grace and Deli.
Wow,
Yes.
Grace and
Our
Deli.
project.
Ito nga pala yung nasa harap, di ba, VJ Mark? Na-excited ako, ano bang meron dyan? Pero syempre, mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya, nabalitaan po namin kasi Miss MJ na sumasali siya dati sa pageant. Tama po ba?
Pageant,
Tsaka, pero kasi may storya yung pageant na yun. Tama po ba? Pwede niyo po ba kaming bigyan ng onting kwento lang po?
Okay. Well, ako kasi yung ang nature ko talaga is I'm a very shy person when I was growing up, and I started talaga in a very simple and humble family then. And then come college kasi we have struggles because living in the province, medyo hindi exposed yung medical equipments doon to health services for if ever magkaroon ng family
Problem like ano, sa
health problems,
yeah.
medyo kailangan mag-effort. So, being in a simple family, so kailangan ko to step up. And since sabi nila, I'm tall, and I can and I can also parang I can be a potential beauty queen, sabi nila. So that's the time that I decided kahit takot na takot ako to face audience, and also to have yung mga modeling and yun. So I really have to step up and kainin ko talaga yung shyness ko just to be able to go through yung financial needs of the family. So I decided to join that time when I was in college. Kahit since I'm an accounting student, that time yung time for studies is really really needed also. So I joined, and buti naman I was able to win the local pageants, and then so I was very happy na in those times talaga God provided even the most unexpected times. So yun, okay siya na experience because the difficulties really will really give you more strength and courage to face more challenging, and it will prepare you to face more challenging situations.
So behind that story ni Miss MJ, sino kaya ang inspirasyon ni Miss MJ? Tama po.
Yes, because I grew up in the province, so I see my mom very diligent and very hardworking career woman. So parang siya yung naging model ko. Up to this time. And then also my dad naman is parang he showed very kind demeanor, and yun yung parang pinaka-values din niya, very kind siya to everyone, sa friends and to the family. So parang binaon ko yun, yung diligence and kindness, that those were yung parang may those were my parang armor. Now, until now.
Pinaghahawakan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Until now, facing the career and also having business and also having my own family. So, yun.
Tanong lang din natin sa kanya kung may mga sinalihan po ba kayong org ngayon po? Kasi syempre, di ba po, busy kayo. Ano po ba yung mga usually na ginagawa niyo every weekend po?
Ayun. So, since I have my 8 to 5 job as a banking professional, I see to it that I have the time for God, for our Creator. So, I was very I was very grateful that I was invited in this organization, which is the BCPP.
Ano po ba yung BCPP?
It's a brotherhood of Christian businessmen and professionals. Professionals. So it's a religious group, charismatic religious group. We usually have breakfasts, and we have group prayer group meetings, and also we have assemblies. And I make sure that I have time for that. So balancing my time with business, with my career, and my family. Also, of course, I won't forget the time for service and prayers.
Bakit pala po yung pangalan is Grace & Deli, yung brand? Tapos ano pala po ang nilalaman ng Grace & Deli?
Grace & Deli is a charcuterie or grazing box. So it has a premium cheese and meats there, European cheeses and meats, and other like chocolates and biscuits. We also added there. It's Grace & Deli because we want it simple and catchy, and because it's all about grazing. So we thought that straight to the point, Grace & Deli, and then its abbreviation is GAD. GAD, right?
Okay.
So so it's a good idea that the abbreviation is GAD. So parang
Tsaka Miss MJ, paano ilang years na po ba ang Grace & Deli?
we started during the pandemic. It's our pandemic project with my friends. We are an corporation. So we are SEC registered.
Yes.
So we started September 2020. So going to its 4th year this September.
So, Miss MJ, ano po nag-convince sa inyo para simulan yung ganitong business? Kasi syempre po, sa larangan ng business, marami. Maraming pwedeng i-business. Syempre yung charcuterie or yung ganito, hindi pa gaano kilala. Pero because of you, ma'am, makikilala yung mga charcuterie, di ba?
Yeah, before the pandemic, back 2016, konti pa lang talaga yung businesses offering charcuterie businesses. So, during the pandemic, dun yung lumabas yung creative juices namin magkakaibigan. Yeah, so we were able to come up na it's a grazing box since we all love to share moments together with wine and cheese. So sabi, why not have our own? And it's pandemic and it's really hard to go out and source those. And then parang yun, we sort of have an idea na sige, let's start this because parang we feel that we want to bring luxury in every home but in an affordable and very convenient price.
So syempre Miss MJ, ano po ba siya? Online lang po ba or meron na po kayong physical store? Kasi usually po sa mga ganyang business, VJ Mark, meron na silang store mismo. Pero syempre gusto natin malaman kung online lang ba siya or may physical store na po ba kayo?
Yeah, right now we are an online business. So but we did not stop for boxes alone. We also have now our catering services. So even though we're online, we can have you serve in your own homes or venues, especially for your special occasions.
During pandemic po ba, hindi po ba kayo na-hit din ng sabihin natin na yung parang nawalan kayo ng gana na ipagpatuloy ito? Ay, pandemic, maraming nawalan ng trabaho, may hali yung mga bilihin, tapos limited lang po yung lumalabas, di ba po?
Yeah. That's correct. And what we did is we we sort of take advantage of that situation
Apo.
to come up with a business that would really cater
Apo.
the needs of those people at that time. Because that time, you know, all the occasions will be celebrated at home.
Apo.
Yes.
Even the parties.
Yes
So,
po.
believe it or not, our sales really are high during the pandemic. Yeah.
Ah,
So,
okay
Yes,
po.
opo.
yeah.
Kumbaga sorry
Yeah.
po. Kumbaga VJ Mark, yung iba kasi nalugi. Pero
Nalugi,
sa
yes.
kanila, ang galing lang din nung strategy na ginawa nila. Tama po. Sige po, Miss MJ.
Yeah, yun. So maraming naghanap.
Apo.
So at the start kasi this is really just parang parang group
Apo.
project and the business at home.
Apo.
And then we really went big after the first year.
Yes.
Apo.
So maraming nagkaroon ng needs, corporate, mga bulk orders.
Apo.
Yes, pa.
So yun.
Kasi sa mga gathering, yan talaga yung
Yes.
hinahanap Sa table
Especially-
na yan.
Oo. So, syempre, VJ Mark, alam ko marami ka pang gusto. At syempre, ako itanong kay Miss MJ, mga
Yes.
kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya. Magko-coffee break po muna kami at magbabalik kami dito sa Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Tama.
Cash is fleeting, yet spending for experiences lasts a lifetime. We offer visa assistance, ticketing, insurance, and accommodation for your personal and business needs. It was great, no glitches, just arrive tonight, our client said. So do you want to experience that type of fast and secure flight for you and your family? Book yours now with Fly Travel Express. Fly fast with delight.
At nagbabalik po muli ang Coffee House Chat
Behind the Nose. Ayan, so VJ Mark, alam kong may naputol ka.
Yes, naputol.
Naputol tayo kanina.
Nakaka-inspired kasi yung kwento ni Miss MJ, tsaka yung kung paano nag-start yung Grease and Deli.
Tsaka hindi, nakaka-inspire din talaga. Tama nga yung sinabi mo,
Oo.
VJ Mark. Kasi pandemic, maraming gustong mag-business. Pero
Yes.
laging tanong, paano nga ba ako magbi-business ng
Ang
pandemic?
ganda kasi ng business strategy niya
Oo,
no?
tama ka
Talagang
dyan.
kinonect niya pandemic, tapos yung mga party, tama nga na, may mga party, hindi pwede sa mass gathering, di ba? So, ang next question naman po, Miss MJ, is may mga naging challenges po ba pagdating sa introducing ng charcuterie
Kasi
sa
pandemic.
market? Yes, kasi pandemic hindi pa gaano kilala.
Apo.
Yes, and of course, the nature of the product itself.
Yes.
Medyo challenging siya because not all are really familiar pa with the product. So parang dun, like what I've said kanina, it's from 2016, parang medyo nagkaroon ng idea ang market
Apo.
about
Yes,
it.
yes, opo.
So, but right now, it parang sa lahat ata ng gathering, meron na rin
Opo.
mga grazing table and
Opo.
So, yun, we tried to strategize on that, penetrating talaga the market through social media.
Yes.
So we really hired strategists for us to be able to be known talaga
Apo.
in the social media. So Facebook, IG, and also from 2020, now we have 7,700 followers. So it's a good number
Apo.
for starting charcuterie
Yes.
business.
Alam mo, ang galing din, VJ Mark, kasi yung pandemic, marami din tayong natutunan sa pandemic,
Tama,
no?
tama,
Kaya
VJ
gaya
Mark.
din yan sila, di ba, nag-business sila at nag-boom naman talaga.
Yes.
Tsaka VJ Mark, nabanggit niya kasi yung mga pageant po. Tama po,
Yeah.
Miss MJ. Gusto ko sa kanya sanang itanong, kasi syempre sa pageant, kailangan marunong ka mag-makeup. Ikaw yung sarili, ikaw mismo yung dapat mag-ayos sa sarili mo. Miss MJ, nagkaroon ka na po ba ng ganong parang professional mo?
Okay,
Kung
oo,
nagme-makeup
tama,
po ba
oo.
kayo?
I mentioned I am a
Yes,
makeup
opo,
artist,
yes,
professional
nga po.
makeup artist. So, because ever since childhood talaga, I am really inclined into arts.
Apo.
So, when I was deciding college course nga,
Apo.
it's between fine arts or
Apo.
accountancy. So, ang
Apo.
layo, di ba?
Yes.
One is logical, one is
Apo.
artistic. So, but syempre, I opted to the more practical choice, which is accounting, which really helped me naman until now. Being a banking professional really is especially during the pandemic
Apo.
na being makeup artist or a banker. So
Apo.
parang, yeah, it's a really essential industry na hindi ko na rin pinagsisihan yung college choice ko. But then, again, pinush ko pa rin siya. I really pursued to have venue for my artistic side. So during my career,
Apo.
I really made sure to study
Apo.
arts. But now, ang canvas ko is human faces. So
Apo.
yun yung naging choice ko that time to
Apo.
be a makeup artist. So yun, na-enjoy ko siya
Apo.
since parang very serious yung facing the numbers and Excel
Apo.
during the weekday, and then
Apo.
yun, pag weekend, yun, I really started also from organic clients
Apo.
then, from friends.
Yes po.
So when after studying, I started accepting weddings, and then
okay po.
and then during that time kasi I also studied in LaSalle College International,
Okay
which
po.
it has professional makeup courses, and I got to meet a great teacher there, which is
Apo.
Arby Chanko. Ayun, so medyo yun na-inspire ako sa
Na-inspire
kanya
ka po.
to pursue yung professional makeup
Apo.
artistry. So ayun, I was exposed to TV
Yes po.
also, TV shows, and also fashion shows,
Yes po.
and plays. I really
Plays.
enjoy,
Okay
the
po.
play there. So parang that time kasi you have to have exposure also to those things para to get your certification. So
Ayun, so VJ Mark, di ba, kapag professional ka kasi, natatandaan ko lang dun sa CTC ni Prof. Sai na
Yes, tama.
tuwing Saturday, mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo, binabanggit po dun na hindi po purkit professional ka, para lang po sa kalaban ng mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo, hindi nyo na po kailangan magpa-register. Tama po ba? Pero kasi mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo, ang tama po kasi dapat talaga doon, kailangan po
Tax compliant ka.
compliant po
Yes.
tayo. Kaya naman po sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin dyan, kung hindi pa po kayo compliant at gusto nyo po maging compliant,
Yes.
lumapit po kayo sa XDT.
yes.
Kasi po, mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo, importante po na compliant po tayo.
Tama.
Wala po tayong kinikita o meron po, basta compliant po
Yes,
tayo.
tama. Tsaka yung mga online seller dyan, mahalaga na tax compliant yung mga online seller. It's either sa Lazada,
Tsaka,
Shopee,
opo.
nag-online selling.
Tsaka gaya ng Graze and Deli, di ba?
Yes.
Kahit online lang po, di ba, Miss MJ, kailangan at kailangan pa din. Go,
Tama ka
V.
dyan, video Shana. Regarding din po sa Graze and Deli, bakit pala po ganyan yung design niya?
Opo.
Paano kayo nag-come up na ganito dapat yung design ng Graze and Deli? Kasi di ba po, yung mga packaging ng iba, naka-bottle siguro.
Opo.
Paano po kayo nakaisip ng ganitong concept?
yeah, we wanted to be very simple but elegant,
Opo.
and classic din yung style. So
Opo.
we choose colors also na nandun sa very neutral side,
Opo.
and appealing din. So parang the packaging, since yung doon ko na rin na-exercise yung creativity ko
Opo.
and yung artistic side ko. Yun, even the pag-ribbon during that time talagang kinakareer namin talaga on how it should be placed. Yun. So also the labeling, the font,
Opo.
Yes,
yun.
po.
Yun yung that was the good experience about it, coming up with the product, and
Opo.
parang bibihisan namin
Opo.
siya into a very presentable and very appealing
Opo.
product. for-
Alam mo, VJ Mark, kasi di ba online ang Graze and Deli, usong-uso
Yes,
ngayon
oo.
yung mga scam, mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya. Tatanong natin kay Miss MJ, may mga naranasan na po ba kayo na ganon?
Yeah.
Kasi syempre di ba online po kayo, paano nyo po ba na-handle yun?
Yes, we did experience mga
Apo.
ganong parang we received proof of payments na
Apo.
fake, mga
Fake
ganon.
po.
So we learned from it. So we really briefed our staff na you have to be very vigilant and careful
Apo.
in accepting. So yun, we imposed na yung mga if the sale is this big and up, you have to have confirmation from finance or the
Apo.
one handling
Apo.
yung accounts namin, just to make sure that the the payment is really valid.
Sa Grease and Deli po ba, may bago po ba kayong product na ika-come up or stay po muna tayo sa ganitong style or nilalaman?
From 2020 kasi, you really just have the boxes.
Okay.
The standard boxes.
Yes, oo.
But then, when we return to the face-to-face,
Apo.
we came up with the catering services.
Apo.
May catering services na.
And then, from time to time, when there's occasion, Mother's Day,
Apo.
Valentine's Day, we really innovate. Yeah, we did not stop from
Apo.
boxes. So we have those sweet boxes.
Apo.
We have also yung dips and caviar pies.
Apo.
We really innovated that. And we have dried flowers with it
Apo.
during
Yes,
during those occasions. And then we also came up with a big boxes for group occasions
Apo.
naman.
Apo.
Or bigger
Usually
group
po, ano po
occasions.
ba yung nilalaman ng gantong klaseng box lang po?
The standard boxes
Apo.
usually composed of the cheeses and meats.
Apo.
And then we have the sweets
Apo.
and also fruits. So parang it's a good combination when you put it all together.
Yes,
So really
oo.
you have a very good experience and combination of different flavors. Yes. And we also have it with wine.
Opo.
And,
Okay
yeah.
po. Tamang-tama po
drinks.
pala yung partner. Di ba?
Yeah.
Oo, tama. Kasi sa mga occasions, sa mga kabuwisenya at kabuwisenya natin, pag mga occasions kasi ang nakalagay lang sa mesa, yung mga natural, yung normal, spaghetti, ganyan. So, kailangan may twist, may blend. Because of Grease and Deli, di ba?
Yes,
Nagka-blend,
tama, Vijay.
nagbigay ng kulay sa gitna. Tapos nakakatuwa doon na meron din pala silang catering services.
Kumbaga lahat na, di ba, VJ Mark? Tsaka hindi na mahihirapan yung mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya natin. Kung gusto nila ng ganyan, lalo na
Tama.
ng mga elegant, kung may mga ikakasal ba dyan, yan.
Gathering, no? Mga gathering talaga.
Oo. Go, VJ Mark.
So, what business requirements did you prepare and already have to be compliant with the BIR?
We underwent yung talagang standard way of complying. So, since we are a corporation for Grease
Yes,
and
po.
Deli, we have SEC
SEC.
registration,
Yes.
DTI, BIR, and then we also comply for the monthly and quarterly and yearly filing. We also
Apo.
have our audited financial statements
Oh, yes.
done, and yes. Also, being a makeup artist, also registered as sole proprietor.
Sole
I-
proprietor,
yeah.
yes.
I also have the filing.
Yes, apa. Nakakatawa, compliant talaga
Hindi,
sila. no?
kailangan talaga kasi yun, VJ Mark. Di ba, yun
Tama.
nga yung laging sinasabi ni Prof. Sain sa atin na kahit professional ka, kahit maliit yung kinikita mo, non-VAT man yan, kailangan mo maging compliant. Di
Oo,
ba?
nga ulit, sabi ni Prof na hindi exceeded ng 3 million. For example, non-VAT kayo, tapos gusto niyo pa-VAT, di ba may ganun po?
Apo.
So, pag hindi exceeded ng 3 million, non-VAT. Pero pag exceeded na kayo ng 3 million, pwede tayo magpa-convert non-VAT to VAT. Yan,
Yes.
mas maganda yun. Marami tayong benefits pag non-VAT to VAT tayo.
Ayan. So, syempre, VJ Mark, marami na tayong nalalaman about Grease and Deli and Miss
Yes.
MJ. At alam ko, ang mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya natin dyan, gusto din nilang malaman kung saan pwedeng makontak ang Grease and Deli para naman pag may mga darating silang events. Hindi
Yes,
lang
mga
naman
gathering,
to,
no? Yes.
Hindi lang naman to mga events, yung mga pang-usual lang din
Mga
naman.
snacks, ganyan, ng mga friends nyo. Diba?
Ayan, so mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya, magbabalik po kami para po malaman nyo kung saan po pwede matawagan si Miss MJ. Ayan,
Yes, tama
thank you
ka
so
dyan.
much po.
Diyan lang kayo, mga
Apo.
kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya. At nagbabalik po muli ang Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes.
Ayan, sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo, nagbalik na po tayo. At
Yes.
syempre, Miss MJ, thank you so much po
Maraming
sa
salamat
time
po.
na binigay niyo po
Yes.
sa amin. At syempre,
Thank you so
marami
much
pong
din.
natutunan na naman po yung mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin. Syempre, VJ Mark, yung usual na ginagawa
Hindi
natin.
mawawala talaga yung BD channel.
Alin yun, VJ Mark? Sige po.
Ang personal quotes na matututunan ng mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin.
Sige po, Miss MJ.
Mga tips po.
Or advice po para
Yes.
sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo.
Okay, bilang beauty queen, beauty really comes from within. So I think yun, when it really shows when you're beautiful inside. So
Apo.
and that I also want to share to them na if you were able to hone that beauty inside you, ayun, you will attract more blessing, more love, and more
Tama
in
po.
your life, and opportunities, good opportunities in your
Apo.
life.
Ayan. So, Miss MJ, saan po ba kayo pwedeng makontak? Lalo
Yes,
na po
tama.
ang Grace and Deli para po sa mga kabuwisenya at kabuwisenya po
Yeah,
natin.
we have our Facebook page.
Apo.
We have our IG. It's Grace and Deli PH. And we also have our website. It's www.graceanddeli.ph.
Alam na nila, pag may mga gathering, mga birthday, Grace and Deli.
Tsaka syempre, Miss MJ, yung personal nyo po para po din sa mga gusto po magpa-makeup, lalo na po
Tama.
kung may mga kasal po kayong aatenan or kayo po mismo yung ikakasal. Saan po? Same lang din po ba?
I have my Facebook page.
Okay
It's
po.
All Made Up by MJ.
All Made Up.
Yes.
Is all made up po.
All Made Up, yeah.
Bakit yun po yung naging name po?
No,
Opo.
parang it sounds like you're being prepared
Full
and
package.
full package, all
Yes.
made up. So yun yung naisip ko na parang good
Ayan,
sounding.
opo. Yan, so
Business.
syempre, ayan. So syempre sa mga kabuwisenya at kabuwisenya, maraming salamat din, 'di ba, VJ Mark?
VJ
Kasi inabangan nyo na naman yung segment na to at alam kong mas aabangan nyo. Tama ba, VJ Mark?
Yes, tama, VJ Shannon.
Kaya naman po sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya natin dyan, wag nyo po kaming kakalimutan laging i-follow and i-like at syempre i-subscribe na po yung mga YouTube channel natin, lalo na rin po yun sa TV Maria. Tsaka syempre, lagi nyo rin po kaming aabangan, hindi lang po sa mga social media, pati na din po sa mga TV, tama
May
ba?
mga channel, iba't ibang channel tayo mapapanood. Tama, VJ
Yes,
Shannon?
VJ Mark. Kaya naman sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya, abangan nyo po ulit yung sunod na segment namin at mas marami pa po kayong matututunan. Dito lang po sa Coffee House Chat.
Behind the Notes.
I'm your VJ Shannon.
I am your VJ Mark.
At ito ang
Coffee House Chat, Behind the Notes.
Leading with purpose.
Guided by values.
Ayan, thank you so much po, Miss
MJ.
MJ.